new place for you to see me in. We're taking the cars for a little run because we have a drift day on Wednesday, and Grant needs to get his exhaust adjusted. So we're going down to Midnight Developments for Grant to get his exhaust fixed. And I thought I'd tag along just for the fun. So hopefully we make it there in one piece. We don't get arrested and thrown into jail. Old man can't sit there. What are we doing this, Shez?
Basically, we're cutting this off, we're extending the back box, getting it centralised, pushing it out a bit.
It's a right fucking mess, eh?
Easy. No, that's not me.
Look at this nice round wheel, Grant. So yeah, Grant's bumper's been catching on his exhaust and setting it on fire. So we come down to see Shezy to get the exhaust just adjusted.
Oh, it's alright now, man. Most of it's snapped.
Oh, hello there. Yeah, seems a fair price really. I thought 40 quid would be about right.
Flat lane.
Yeah.
This is like a semicircle, just fucking round off.
You reckon you're right with that there? Let's have a look.
That's where it's going to go in at the bumper. Yeah, that's it, like, mate. It fucking moves a bit, doesn't it? It
Nice.
It shimmies, you see.
Missed the action then.
Go look at the light.
I'm nowhere near.
Don't record my shit welding.
Does the job though, eh? Two metals together.
Yeah, there's no to do some welding this, but onto the old weld.
Yeah. So the problem he's got, it's new metal and old metal, so it's just reacting a little bit, but it's going to do the job. Yeah. Grant's going to get the exhaust done different soon anyway. Woo! Arguing anywhere with them welds, is he? You happy, mate?
Got the ears.
Just waiting for it to cool down, man. As you can see, the old box is a bit of a pain to weld to because it's cheap China. Because Grant doesn't have nothing real. As you can see, the Nissan Skyline, the exhaust is hanging out of the bumper.
It looks better.
So it's in the middle and it's clearance all round. Exactly what you wanted. Sticks out quite a bit now.
Bumper don't sit right, look now.
'Cause it's
This needs to, I need to rip the foam out, prop the bumper with a timber I want it, and then refoam it now.
easier.
Does that make any sense?
Yes, it holds its new shape.
Yeah, just look at that. I want that out there, like that. Does that look good in line?
Yeah.
But it wants to do that. How does it look from afar? Let's see.
Looks good from afar, but far from good.
That's what Chuck once told us. Told me. Chuck. Welcome to What Affects Your Real Life TV.
Welcome. I think that's pretty good, mate.
Exhaust.
Ready for a drift day now, are we? Let's see what we break. On a good note.
On a good note, I'll raise my car. I want that on footage.
You raised it.
I did, and you know what? Way better. I've actually got clearance now. I've still got tyre, but I have got normal rolling clearance, instead of, yeah.
Halfway crooks.
To be fair, the coilovers was loose. It might have just lowered itself over time.
That's going to be it for today, folks. Cheers for coming.